of neighbours told me about this place here. Never had tell about it. He put his caravan here. I don't know much about it. Waterfall, caves and campsite, self-catering accommodation. Call 077 175 92301 or waterfallcaves.com. That's a boating lake. Not a boating lake, fishing lake. But he says there's walks that take you up the top of the Benevolent Mountain to the waterfalls. But when you come through here, it all seems like private land. So I don't know where the caves is what do you call it, glamping. It's glamping inside caves, but it's proper building like. So there's a fishing place now over to the right. So that might be where his caravan is. And the waterfall caves is off the left. I don't know. Well, it's worth investigating anyway. Never been here before. Well, I don't know if it's suitable. I've got diesel with me. There's diesel. Don't know if it's suitable for diesel. But if it's walks going to the waterfalls, you wouldn't think that was private land, would you? Oh, the dust storm. That's a dust storm in there now. Good view up here, isn't it? And what's buggy down there? They're hiring buggies out too. There's a car park there, you see. So if we can go to a car park and go for a walk, wouldn't that be good, wouldn't it? Oh, there's a reception here. What does that mean? Does that mean you have to pay? So the caravan's up there, that must be where he has his caravan. Where's the actual caves and all? Hold on there, Pet, I'm going to check, stay there. What would I ask? Oh, why am I knowing? I got the reception for the caravan site. Oh, stay there, boys and girls. There we go, and all that. Oh, that's right, boys and girls. We're in, that's right, wee bit. Wee sniffies and all. Oh, there's wee bugs there. That's the wee buggies there, is what one was telling about. This place up here is a caravan park over there, wee glamping pods, but there's I was asking if you're ready to walk around. She says no, if you're staying here you can, but she says because of the distance I've travelled I can walk around the buggy route. You can't go around the lake. What is the lake? You can't really get down to the caves, it's all private unless you book them. Yeah, let's hire out these buggies too, they run diesel. As I said, we can walk around these routes here. Well, I'll have to keep these on. Maybe buggy. Come up with all sorts of prices. Could be like 1,000, 200, 1,500 if you want to keep your caravan there on site all year, or whatever years it is, whatever month it is. Hold on, see this how lead my sister has. No harm to her, but I forgot to bring the other lead and had to grab hers. It cuts under your hand. It's not pure diesel, Phil. Stupid lead. But waterfall's way over there. Hold on, man. This lead here is useless. This lead is useless. We're going to put wee Luna's lead on first, Pet, to see if that helps cushion it. I came out with a plastic handle, like. But you see, when you got a dog, you need a decent lead, like. People spend more money on a seat cover and a car, and sometimes they do something like that. But you're not allowed to come here and walk it. It's only because of the distance I travel. She says I can go around here. But diesel don't pull too hard, Pet. I'll let him ask me to get around here a wee bit. Another lunatic I have to stay up. Apparently these ones and these things should have been back. You must hire them for the air, whatever it is, and these ones are running a bit late. They're stuck here in this wee hole here. It's £35 a night, it's pretty expensive. I'm actually walking quicker than I'm driving. Oh, that's there, boys, you're not meant to leave here, I tell you. Goats. I thought they should be on that side of the fence. A couple of skippies here. We weren't feeding. We didn't walk too far, did we? I'm going to walk down that way there now, you see. See, I don't know. It says walk to the main route. See, I think that is the walk you're supposed to do. But we're not getting on that. That would take you to the waterfalls and the other cabins. It's not having to get a fill of goats, is it? They must be getting the milk off them. See, that's the only problem there with wee goats and all. And cows. That's the difference between a vegetarian and a vegan. A goat can only produce milk. They have to have a wee calf. They have to have a wee kid every year. If they don't have a wee kid every year, or a cow doesn't have a calf, they won't produce milk. They'll stop producing milk. They're only producing milk for the wee young ones. And then what happens then is the wee boy ones are born. No need for the boys, and they're exterminated. And you can't pick where you're going to get a boy calf. Don't think there's any point in going here. That's the walk over there anyway. It says walk around these trails here. You can't go around the lake. There's no wee signpost telling you. So I think we go on. I ain't going to see it. Yeah, I don't know if you see it from the Caravan side, but we're going somewhere else, boys and girls. Oh no, that's right. See, I can't see them trees with their land. Their land is just off and stone. What's in them trees? That's forestry. So the waterfall is probably the forestry part. That's what I reckon. Hold on now. No good for us, boys and girls. Up we go. Oh. That boys and girls. We'll have to go somewhere more exciting now. That's what it is. If I come down along with the neighbour, you could probably just walk on round there. This neighbour can invite friends.